Hey, what's up guys, Lord Civic here, and today we're going to be unboxing the new year release Steam Deck OLED. I was lucky enough, well, not really lucky enough because everybody that wanted one that had money at the time was able to get a limited edition Steam Deck OLED. I believe they're still in stock. First and foremost, I have to give Valve props for that. A lot of limited edition items, they only make like so little of them, and in the world we live in today, there's scalpers and people that are looking at making money and profits and different stuff off of it. So making enough to not only screw the scalpers but also give the ability to everybody that wants one the ability to get one is really freaking amazing. You guys know in my I'm just gonna start opening it as I continue talking. But you guys know in my Steam Deck review, which I have my Steam Deck, my trusty Steam Deck that has served me excellently well for what is it, a year, 2 years now? It's been a while. Regardless, I love the Steam Deck. I got an Ally. It did not click with me. I understand that the Ally runs Windows and Game Pass, be able to run Game Pass natively and different stuff like that, but I just love the intuitiveness of the Steam Deck and just how nicely it just goes with everything, like the Steam OS, Linux, everything. I just love it all about it. So right here we have the opening of the box. Let me actually right here, I meant to bring this on screen. Right here we have my old Steam Deck case, and right here it looks like it's the same box for the charger as it was with the regular Steam Deck, you know, right there in that little white box. Biggest difference I noticed right here, and I believe the Steam Deck OLED, the regular one has like the exact same case and everything, I believe. But regardless, in my Steam Deck review, the biggest point I made about it is I love the device. Everything about it was amazing. I understand that right now there's limitations on battery, which they've improved on this, which is insane. And then there's also limitations on power, which I know there's no increase in power on this specific device, but because of the OLED panel, you know, with like black levels and stuff like that, and then I think it also has a bigger battery, they've been able to get like almost 2 or 3 more hours compared to the regular Steam Deck, which is just absolutely insane. Also, I didn't know until last week, I think this was after I'd ordered it, that the OLED actually supports HDR, because I didn't think it would. Like, why would you think a portable device that's not like a phone would support HDR? But it freaking does, and it goes up to 1000 nits, which is just absolutely insane. Right now, as you guys can see, I am playing Persona 5 Tactica. I've been mostly playing it on my Steam Deck, and I can't wait to play it on the OLED because, you know, there's so many black levels and stuff in it. And then it's just, it's so real, it's so cool. I applauded Valve for making the Steam Deck originally because of there were not repercussions, the effects that it would have on the PC industry. Not only has it made developers have to push forward and do a better job with optimization. Ooh, can I take off this tag without? Nope. Let me go get a scissors. I am so glad that I have this wireless mic because I'm able to just walk off screen and then just walk back like it's nothing. So what it's had is we've had the Ally, which is, as I said, it's not for me, but it's an absolutely amazing device, and I know a lot of people like it. And it's more powerful than the Steam Deck, but now this has a better screen. Ally did have good speakers as well. And then, you know, you have the Lenovo Go, which is so funny. I was literally like 2 days later after this got announced, I was going to order the Lenovo Go. Like, I was literally putting the money together and everything, so that's really funny. That looks like a really freaking good device. Highest resolution, biggest screen, detachable controllers like the Switch OLED, and not Switch OLED, like the Switch. It's a really cool device. The only weakness I've heard is the speakers, but it's like, you know, it's an expensive device and they have to, I don't know if cut corners is the right word to say, but I understand that you can't put everything in one device. Well, you can, but then that's when you get to like the 1000 point. Okay, so let me walk in front of the camera here. We'll take it out of the case in a second. So you can see the regular Steam Deck case comes with the blue logo. This one has more of, it's just black. I kind of like it. You know, it's kind of like seriousness. Ooh, Falcon Go strap. I actually did not know. I didn't watch any unboxing videos or anything because, you know, with doing my own videos, I like to have my own like reactions and different stuff like that. I did watch a lot of the Digital Foundry video and they were like oohing and awing about the screen, but you know, it's Digital Foundry. How can you not watch them? So, you know, you got the little cloth package thing, which is kind of funny because you don't use cartridges for this, and I don't think people are gonna have multiple SD cards. It's interesting. I guess you can, well, not guess you can put your cloth and stuff, but honestly, I keep my cloth in there. Okay, let me go ahead and start unzipping this. Wow, that's, okay. This is really freaking cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow, it's so sexy. Oh, and the vent smells differently. Oh my gosh, it kind of smells like a new car, but better. Wow. It's lighter too. It's like, I remember them saying it was lighter. I think it's only 5% lighter, but if I put, yeah, I can definitely feel the difference in my hands. Like 5% doesn't seem a lot because the device doesn't weigh that much, but like it's lighter. Like you can definitely feel the lightweight. All right, let me get you guys a good look at the device. I love the, I understand why they didn't make improvements to the physical unit because they were making this specifically for, hey, people that want a new screen, they've already put a new battery in it, and you know, it would be cool if we got a 1.5 refresh, but keeping the same hardware on the interiors allows them to optimize for one specific device and stay to that. Getting to the point where they have to optimize for the Steam Deck and then the Steam Deck OLED, people might develop and make the games run better on the Steam OLED, and then people will be like, oh, I bought the Steam Deck, it doesn't run. So I'm glad that they're waiting until the Steam Deck 2 to make that huge jump, but regardless, very, very sexy device. So I don't want to put my Steam Deck down right quick because, you know, I Persona Tactica running right there. Okay, cool. White cloth. Pretty cool, actually. Honestly, I don't know. I think I would have liked the cloth if it had like the orange accents and then it was black. But regardless, it still looks pretty cool. This is really freaking cool. It looks very retro. I mean, obviously, like you can see the internals of the Steam Deck. Well, actually, can you see the internals? Yes, you can. Yeah, it's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but I can clearly see a lot of the internals, and that's really sick. That is actually really freaking cool. So it's a very like retro case, you know, you got the orange accents around the zipper line, and then you got like the Steam Deck all over the interior. Kind of looks like a little bed that you would have in like the 80s or 90s. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So last thing I'm gonna do is boot this up. Ooh, it makes the same noise. I want to smell the vent. That's the last thing I want to do, but I'm gonna probably put up a couple of little gameplay videos of it. I'm obviously gonna be reviewing this thing, and I might do some comparison videos. We'll see. But you know, it's just crazy that I'm glad that Valve took the time of, oh, it glows orange at the beginning. That's really freaking cool. But I like that Valve listened to a lot of the critics or people like me. I don't know if I was like really critic or critiquing. And my biggest issue, or my only issue with the Steam Deck, was the screen. Everything else was just absolutely sublime. And it's crazy that they did it on the first take, like the first try. And I love how Valve just like almost moves in silence. They did this with the original Steam Deck. Obviously there was like a little rummage and rumors and stuff like that, but I'm not like a real industry insider. Oh, let me get to see the boot. I'm not like a real industry insider, but it was really cool how we didn't know anything about the OLED. We didn't know it was drop. A week or 2 weeks out, they were like, hey, this is dropping, and it drops. And it's just, yeah, I'm just, yeah. I gotta enter the Wi-Fi and password and stuff like that. But basic point, let me take down that now. Basic point is, I am really happy that Valve made this device. You guys know how much I love OLED. It's actually insane. This is my third OLED device I bought this year. I bought the G9 OLED. monitor, which is need to review soon. That's absolutely amazing. As you can see behind here is the Sony A95L. In my honest opinion, it's the world's best TV. Well, consumer level TV that you can purchase. It's absolutely nuts. Single greatest panel of anything I've ever seen, bar none. But regardless, with saying that, thank you guys again so much for watching. If there's any specific games you guys would like to see me play on the Steam Deck, or any specific comparisons, or anything specific, questions or whatever I can ask, just let me know in the comments below. Now with saying that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and saying that, I hope you guys have a good day.